welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3A and our subject is mathematics. We are in the chapter subtraction. We have discussed exercise 3.3 in the last video. Today we will discuss exercise 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6, question number 1 to 5. Okay, so let us discuss with exercise 3.4. Before starting this exercise, we have to know that in subtraction we can't change the order of the numbers. We can't change the order of numbers. And another property, important property, when you subtract a number from itself, so the difference will be 0. And another, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself, or the number remains unchanged, right? So now start exercise 3.4. Question number 1a says the minuend is 243 and subtrahend is 0. I told you when you subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be itself, the number, or the number remains unchanged. So that is, it will be 243. Now question number B, similarly you have to find the minuend, and I told you when you are going to find minuend, whether subtrahend and difference are given, so you have to do addition. So add 2691 plus 0, so it will get 2691. Question number C, 513, or you can say 513. You have to find out subtrahend, and I told you when you have to find subtrahend, whether minuend and difference are given, so you have to do subtraction, or you can say you have to do subtract difference from the minuend. So if I subtract difference from the minuend, you will get 0, because 513 minus 513 is 0. Okay, so similarly question number D, so it will be 0. Question number E, since if you subtract 1 from the previous number, in the question number E it is 943, so you will get 942, so it will be 1. That is, in other way you can say, what is the predecessor of 943? So that means 943 minus 1, and 0 minus 0 is 0. When question number G, when you subtracting same number from the same number, you will get always 0. This is also the predecessor of 6841, so it will be 6840. And you know that when we subtract a number from itself, so it will be 0. Now exercise 3.5, subtract orally. When we do subtract orally, first of all you have to check the numbers, that is minuend and subtrahend, are they all in the same group? If they are in the same group, then simply question number in question number 1a, how many zeros? 1 zeros, right? So write down 0 on the right side and simply subtract 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is our answer. Similarly, question number B, it will be 10 Question number C, it will be 20. Question number D, yes, they are in the same group, that is the 100 group. Write down 2 zeros and simply subtract 4 from 8. So 4 from 8 is 4. It's 300, it's 700, and this will be 600. This will be 500. Same logic. This will be 5,000, not 500. Yes? Did you get that, everyone? Yes. Okay. Now I am moving. Now I'm in exercise 3.6. Let's start. Question A says, how much is 8,020 more than 3,659? That means we have to do subtraction. So subtract 3,659 from 8,020. Now starting from the ones place, it will be 10, and this 2 will become 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Since 1 is less than 5, so it will be 11, and this number will be 9, and this 8 will become 7, right? So 11 minus 5 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the required result is 4,361. Okay. Now question number 2 says, what should be added to 4,659 to get 7,000? So you have to do subtraction. So write down the bigger number and then the smaller number. Now subtract it. This will be 10, and this will be 9, this will be 9, and this will be 6. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is our required result. So therefore, because we already have done that subtraction or subtracting across 0, right? So this is the way how to do. So therefore the required result is 2,341, right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 says the sum of two numbers is 9,654 if one of the numbers is 5,547. So what is the other number? So what is given? The sum of two numbers is 9,654. One of the numbers is 5,547. So when you have to find the other number, so you have to do subtraction. So therefore the other number is 9654 minus 5547. What will you get? Subtract it. So it will be 14, it will be 4. 14 minus 7 is 7, 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 1, 4. So what is the result? 4107, right? So this is the other number of this sum, right? Now question number 4. In a school function, invitation cards were sent to 2950 people. Only 1997 people came. So how many invitation cards were not used? So what is given? Invitation cards were sent to people. How many? 2950 people came. 1997. So how many invitation cards were not used? So therefore invitation cards were not used equal to 2950 minus 1997, right? So if you subtract, so you will get, so it will be 10 and it will be 4. 10 minus 7 is 3, so 4 is less than 9, so it will be 14 and this would become 8. 14 minus 9 is 5, 8 is less than 9, so it will be 8 and this 2 will be 1. So 18 minus 9 is 9 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many invitation cards were not used? 953. Okay, so this is our required difference. Now question number 5. Answer. A hospital needed 7284 bottles of medicine but received only 5798 bottles from the medical company. So how many more bottles does the hospital need? So again you have to find the remaining bottles, so you have to do subtraction. So what is given? Hospital needed 7284 bottles. Hospital received 5798 bottles. So therefore the bottles hospital needed bottles 7284 minus 5798 equal to, now subtract it. So it will be 14 and it will become 7. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So since 7 is less than 9, so it would become 17 and it 1. 17 minus 9 is 8. 1 will become 0. Sorry, 11, and this 7 will become 6. So 11 minus 7 is 4 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So how many bottles are needed more? 1486 bottles. the hospital needed 1486 bottles needed more, right? So that's all for today, and we will proceed the next 5 maths on the next video. Keep practicing and do your maths daily. Thank you.